Example related to method of variation of parameter. First example is solve d2y by dx square plus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power minus x into sin x by method of variation of parameters. In the example itself, they have mentioned that we have to use method of variation of parameters. If you don't apply method of variation of parameter, which case is this? By which case can we simplify this? If it is a normal example we are provided with,
Case 4.
case
Case
4.
4.
Why? Because in the product we find one of the term as exponential and other product, the term other in the other term in the product is sin x, right? So either it can be solved by case 4, but if they have specifically written that you have to use method of variation of parameter, I will be using method of variation of parameter for that, right? So consider d2y by dx square plus 2dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power minus x into sin x. This quadratic equation, second order linear differential equation will be converted to operator form as d square plus 2d plus 1 whole multiplied by y is equal to the RHS. For calculation of complementary function, for calculation of CF, we write this auxiliary equation as m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. What is m square plus 2m plus 1? It is m plus 1 whole square. So m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. How are the roots over here? Roots are real and equal. So minus 1 comma minus 1 is the root. I will find out complementary function as c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 into x e to the power minus x, or it can be written in this way, but I will specifically write in this way because I have to compare it with c1 f1 plus c2 f2 so as to find the value of f1 and f2. Is this point clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Finding
sir.
out complementary function is not a big task. We have solved so many examples before this. So C1 F1 plus C2 F2, I get the value of F1 as e to the power minus x, F2 as x e to the power minus x. Phi of x is RHS of the given differential equation, e to the power minus x into sin x. What is F1 dash? F1 dash is minus e to the power minus x. What is F2 dash? F2 dash is product of this integration, derivative. Product rule is applicable. First into integration derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. Now crisscross f1 into f2 dash minus f2 into f1 dash. Open the bracket, cancel the required terms. You will be left with only simplified form of Wronskian f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. E to the power minus x into this bracket minus x into e to the power x into this value minus x e to the power minus 2x plus x. This will give you minus x e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power minus 2x minus x pass will get added plus x into e to the power minus 2x. The first and last term gets cancelled. So this is only e to the power minus 2x applicable for us. So we are left with Wronskian as e to the power minus 2x. Is this point okay?
Yes, sir.
So by method of variation of parameters, pi will be uf1 plus vf2. Wronskian क्यों निकालना पड़ता है? Wronskian is required in calculation of u and v. And why u and v are required? Because they form the part of the particular integral. f1 and f2 मुझे पता है, u के साथ f1 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, v के साथ f2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, आपका सॉल्यूशन बनेगा pi. And then combine complementary function and particular integral. So I know that pi will be uf1 plus vf2, but u कैसे निकाला जाएगा? u will be minus times integral f2 into phi of x dx upon f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. This is the formula. Yeah, in place of this you can write down w as well. W is nothing but the Wronskian. So put the values appropriately. f2 कितना था, RHS कितना है, डिनोमिनेटर कितना था.
Sir, how to find phi of x?
Phi of x is RHS of the given differential equation. This is RHS, e to the power minus x into sin x. That we have to take it as it is. LHS is responsible for complementary function. Particular integral is associated with RHS of the given differential equation, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus times f2. F2 is x e to the power minus x. Phi of x is e to the power minus x into sin x. Denominator upon e to the power minus 2x. Numerator में e to the power minus x into e to the power minus x is e to the power minus 2x. This gets cancelled. Only we are left with x into sin x. Apply integration by parts. Minus outside. First into integration of second. Use generalized rule of integration by parts. U into integration of v minus u dash into double integration of v. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1, इसके आगे 0 आएगा तो प्लस ये स्टेप लिखने में मतलब ही नहीं है. फर्स्ट इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1, अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ माइनस cos x. Integration of minus cos x is minus sin x. So this becomes minus x cos x plus sin x, or outside there is integral, outside the integration after completion of that we have minus sign, so minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So what is the value for u? U comes out to be x cos x minus sin x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next, what we will be calculating?
V.
V. What is the formula for V? Positive times f1 phi of x upon the denominator. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is value for V?
Minus cos x.
Minus cos
Minus
x.
cos x.
Simply minus cos x. So, but this is not the end of pi. U multiplied with f1, V multiplied with f2 is pi. U multiplied with f1 माइनस, अभी प्लस का माइनस हो गया यहाँ पर, V multiplied with f2. UF1 plus VF2, that is what the pi is. Again try to simplify if anything cancels out or vanishes. So what we are left with, minus e to the power minus x into sin x, that is your pi. The complete general solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
The solution is given by y is equal to CF plus pi. Combine the final answer. U into F1 plus V into F2. This is U, this is F1. V is minus cos x, x into e to the power minus x is F2. फाइन, प्लस का कॉमन माइनस हो गया एज v was नेगेटिव. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to cf plus pi. Complementary function was c1 plus c2x whole multiplied by e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x into sin x. This was the modified pi. This gives us the final answer for the given problem, which we have solved by method of variation of parameters. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question is solve by method of variation of parameters d2y by dx square plus y is equal to sec x into tan x. Up till now, we don't have any provision for calculating the particular integral wherein it contains sec x or tan x or cosec x or log x. So what we can use is generalized method or method of variation of parameters. यहाँ पर mention किया है कि apply method of variation of parameter because it fulfills the condition. The given differential equation is of second order and coefficient of d2y by dx square is unity. So I can move ahead with method of variation of parameters. Solve d2y by dx square plus y is equal to sec x into tan x. The auxiliary equation generated will be, the operator form for this will be d square plus 1 whole multiplied by y is equal to sec x into tan x. What does d represent? D represent d by dx. For calculation of complementary function, this should be equated to 0. Auxiliary equation में replace d by m. So m is equal to d is equal to m. So m square plus 1 equal to 0. Negative value m square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to 0 plus minus I. Complex root. Alpha is 0, beta is 1. So e to the power 0x is 1. नहीं लिखेंगे. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. I can compare this with C1 F1 plus C2 F2, from which I get F1 is cos x, F2 is sin x. Now anybody can raise a question that if I interchange the position of C1 and C2, अगर मैं लिखूंगा कि C2 cos x plus C1 sin x तो भी चलेगा? Yes, it will do. Though the values of F1 and F2 will be different, but finally जो PI निकालोगे UF1 plus VF2 वो हमेशा सेम रहेगा. So no matter whatever position of C1 and C2 you take, but your PI UF1 plus VF2 will always be correct. In between calculations will be totally different because your assumption F1 F2 is different, your Wronskian will be different, your U will be different, but PI as a whole will be right because C1 and C2 are arbitrary. I am telling you very many times that position or order of C1 and C2 is not important. तो कोई अगर चाहे तो अलग कर सकता है, बट आपका आंसर फिर उस तरीके से अलग रहेगा बीच में स्टेप्स, but PI will be same. So final answer CF plus PI will always be same because for any differential equation solution is always unique. There is no different solution. So F1 is cos x, F2 is sin x, phi of x is sec x into tan x, F1 dash is minus sin x, F2 dash is cos x. What is Wronskian? F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
1.
Wronskian cos square x plus sin square x, that comes out to be 1.
Yes, sir.
The Wronskian comes out to be 1. Cos square x plus sin square x. Completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is denoted by W Wronskian, where F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. By method of variation of parameters, what is pi given by? pi is given by u f1 plus v f2. f1 अपने पास है, f2 अपने पास है. अभी आपको कैलकुलेट करना है u as well as v. u is minus times integral f2 into phi of x dx upon f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. Okay. So sin x into sec x into tan x upon 1. Now sec x can be written as 1 upon cos x. Tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x. So it is sin square x upon cos square x. What is sin square x upon cos square x? Tan square x. But do we have the integration for tan square x?
No, sir.
No. So how we can write tan square x?
X square
1
x.
x minus 1, but multiply by minus, so it becomes 1 minus x square x. And integration of 1 is possible, integration of x square x is also possible. Integration of 1 dx is x, integration of x square x is tan x. So in that cases, we can find out the answer for u very easily by integration. X minus tan x is the value for u.
Yes, sir.
Now v is equal to integral f1 into phi of x dx upon f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash is equal to, what was f1? Cos x. What is sec x? What is phi of x? Sec x into tan x. Denominator we did not have to write because it is 1. So sec x is 1 upon cos x. Cos x gets cancelled. Only we are left with tan x. What is integration of tan x?
Log of sec
Log of
x.
sec x. So v is also easily calculated. Now pi will be u f1 plus v f2. pi will be uf1 plus vf2. Open the brackets, multiply them appropriately. Is anything going to be cancelled from this pi? No, keep it as it is. Just combine that with complementary function. Then y is equal to cf plus pi is the required solution. Completed. I hope this is clear. So final answer is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x plus sin x into log of sec x plus cos x into x minus tan x. This portion is particular integral, this portion is complementary function. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Solve by next question. Solve by method of variation of parameters d square minus 6d plus 9 whole multiplied by y is equal to e to the power 3x upon x square. E to the power 3x upon x square. Is there any provision to solve this particular RHS by any of the particular integral? कोई अगर सोच रहा होगा कि e to the power 3x to be multiplied by x to the power minus 2, but this is not the case 3 because therein m is a positive integer. Here value of m is minus. So if you are trying to think in the way that can we convert it into case number 4 and simplify, no, because this x square when goes to the numerator becomes x to the power minus 2. So I can compare it with the form case number 4 e to the power ax into x to the power n. But in this particular case x to the power m must be positive integer. Here value for m will become minus 2 if you do so. So do not ever think of applying case number 4. We have to apply method of variation of parameters. Though it is mentioned in the example, no doubt, but in other way also we can think that why other methods are failure. Consider the given differential equation in the form d square minus 6d plus 9 whole multiplied by y is equal to e to the power 3x upon x square. Auxiliary equation is given by m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. That is a simple case of m minus 3 whole square. M is equal to 3 comma 3. The roots are real and equal. So how we write down the complementary function? C1 e to the power 3x plus C2 into x e to the power 3x. What is F1 over here? F1 is e to the power 3x. F2 is x e to the power 3x. Phi of x, which is RHS of the given differential equation, it is e to the power 3x upon x square. Calculate F1 dash, F2 dash. Wronskian, W is equal to F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash. What will be derivative of e to the power 3x? E to the power 3x into 3. Is it clear? Everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
All the steps are okay.
Yes, sir.
No difficulty.
No, sir.
Hope everybody is writing down properly. So F1 is e to the power 3x, F2 is x e to the power 3x. Derivative of this is 3 e to the power 3x. Apply product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash. Cross multiply. So this multiplied by this multiplied by this, only we are left with e to the power 3x into e to the power 3x, and this is equal to e to the power 6x. E to the power 3x into e to the power 3x is e to the power 6x. Clear? Completed up to this?
Yes, sir.
What is f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash e to the power 6x?
Yes, sir.
W.
What? W is equal to e to the power 6x.
Yes, sir.
Now pi will be given by uf1 plus vf2. Pi is uf1 plus vf2. U is minus times f2 into phi of x dx upon Wronskian. X e to the power 3x into e to the power 3x upon x square whole divided by e to the power 6x. E to the power 3x into e to the power 3x will become e to the power 6x. That e to the power 6x gets cancelled. X upon x square leaves with 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Minus sign as it is. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Value of u is minus log x. Value
Yes,
of
sir.
v is integral x to the power minus 2 dx. It is minus 1 by x. V is f1 into phi of x upon this. You can put the value. V is integral f1 into phi of x dx upon e to the power 6x, which is value of Wronskian. So f1 f2 dash,
सर ऊपर स्क्रॉल करेंगे थोड़ा.
what you need to write?
सर वो F2 की वैल्यू चेक करने दी कितनी थी.
Array, you have written f2 is
Yes, sir.
x e to the power 3x. You didn't write or what?
सर F2 डैश की वैल्यू 3x e to the power 3x plus e to the power 3x है ना.
Yes, yes, but here I am not taking f2 dash. Here I am taking only f2.
ओके.
Here we are never taking f2 dash. Here we are taking f2 and f1 only. What you have considered?
F1 dash F2 dash sorry.
No, 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 no. In the formula, it is simply f2 only. Yes. So x to the power minus 2 integration is 1 by x minus 1 by x. So pi will be minus log x into e to the power 3x minus 1 by x into this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So क्या कॉमन निकलता है? माइनस बाहर निकाल लो. e to the power 3x also taken outside. X and x will get cancelled. So we are left with log x plus 1. Are the steps okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So complete general solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. C1 plus C2x into e to the power 3x minus log x plus 1 into e to the power 3x. Completed up to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is our final answer.